Hello, this is Fredrik Wickberg at InfoZone, and in this video we're going to talk about weekday correction. So what do we mean about weekday correction? It's when you want to have the possibility to compare the selected time period with the same weekdays the previous year. This is good for retail companies that can have very different sales depending on which day of the week it is. For example, if your shops are closed on Sundays, you don't have any sales on those days. So how do we do this? We're using two calendars. So we're scripting two calendars into the QE file, where one calendar has 5 weeks every third month and 4 weeks the other months. So we're scripting two calendars, and I won't go into the details of the script. We can see that for 2013, for example, the year ends at New Year's Eve for the normal calendar. The weekday corrected calendar, the 2013 ends on between the 28th and 29th of December. And how do we include this into the applications where you want to have the functionality to compare, to choose between two calendars? We're using a variable that you can toggle between date to date or weekday corrected. Here we have an input box, and you can't really make the input box look that great. So if you want to make it more beautiful, you can create a text object that have an action that toggle between two values on that same variable. And then we create two variables. And I won't go into the details on how we create these variables. And you add them into the objects where you want to have this functionality. And here you can see the dates that are being selected. So in this case, we have selected 2014, March. And this is where you want to compare last year. So here we have weekday corrected calendar. It starts on the 2nd of March and including the 1st of April. And if we change calendar, of course, the day-to-day calendar starts on the 1st of March and including 31st of March. And you add this into the objects where you want to have this functionality and possibility to use two calendars. That's all I had to say. If you have any more questions about this, it's just to contact us at InfoZone, and we are